Hello everyone, nice to see you again. I am RK. In this Linux series, our next video is about groups. So let's see how to add group and delete group. First, let's see how many groups are in my system. Here I have RK, admin, cd-rom, sudo dip and so on. Here my username is RK. So first let's check in how many groups my username RK is there. For that we need to see a file. The name is group. It is in the etc directory. cat/etc/group. Here you can see there are lots of groups in the system. So let's use grep to view the groups with RK. Grep RK. Here RK is in the admin, rom, sudo, dip and so on. Or you can check the ID of RK. You will also see the result there. Admin group, change room and so on. Now let's create new group. Let's clear our screen. For that you need to use groupadd command. I need a sudo permission to use that. Groupadd and first group. I need to enter the password. Let's check the group file again. Yes, here we have a group name first group. Currently there are no users in the group. Add some users later. Like in users, we can also specify group ID for specific groups. Let's create a new group with specific GID. My group ID is 1015 and the group name is second group. Let's check the group file again. The group ID is 1015. By using p flag, we can also assign password for these groups. These are the normal groups. If we need to create a system group, we need to use r flag, group add, r flag, sys group. Let's check the file again. Here we have sys group. In our previous video about users, we try to add a user to a group, but it shows some error. The group name doesn't exist. So now let's try that. Sudo user add and here the group name is second group and then user is new user. Let's check the ID of new user. The new user is in the second group, or you can add an existing user to a new group. Sudo user mod second group, and in our previous video we created username Raj. Let's use that username. Let's check the ID of Raj. Here Raj is in the second group. Now let's delete our group. Groupdel. And here we need to give the group name. I am deleting first group. Let's check that in group file. Here we have second group, but first group is gone. It means the group is deleted. So that's it guys. If you have any doubts, ask me in the comment section. I will try to clear it. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.